Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve a simple but interesting math problem involving volume. Let's read the problem carefully. A matchbox measures 4 cm times 2.5 cm times 1.5 cm. What is the volume of a packet containing 12 such matchboxes? First, let's calculate the volume of a single matchbox using the formula for the volume of a cuboid. Volume equals length times breadth times height. Given, length equals 4 cm, breadth equals 2.5 cm, height equals 1.5 cm. So, volume equals 4 times 2.5 times 1.5 equals 15 cc. The volume of one matchbox is 15 cubic centimeters. Therefore, the total volume of 12 matchboxes is total volume equals 15 times 12 equals 180 cc. The volume of the packet containing 12 matchboxes is 180 cc. That's it. The total volume is 180 cubic centimeters. Hope you understood the steps clearly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy math solutions.